Indlela okubaluleke ngayo ukuthakatha mfethu kubaluleke ngalendlela yokuthi mabekubona abanye ukuthi wena awufuni ukuzithakatha bayaye bekusize bekuthakathe bona ngoba ukuthakatha kubalulekile kodwa ukuthi uzithakathe wena ngoba uma ungazithakathi wena bazokuthakatha bona. Yabona ukuthakatha kuhlukene kabili. Uyakwazi ukuthakatha ngengaphandle, uyakwazi ukuthakatha ngengaphakathi. Mana ke ngikufundisa ukuthakatha ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo changes akhasha uthi kungenzeka noma yini, noma inini, noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Yabona ke iclass lokuthakatha 101 leli. Sikhuluma ngokuthakatha. Kodwa ukuthakatha kumele ukuthi uzithakathe wena. Anginayo ke incazelo technical ngokuthakatha. Ngikuthatha based on tendencies and what we used to like hear la kwi society socially yabo. Anginayo incazelo technical but ngikhuluma ngalendlela lo engicathi abantu abaningi bakwazi ngayo. Yabona ke kunezinto ezenzekalayo la. Yabona mangabe uphuma uye ebantwini uzofika uhlangane nabantu yazo. Mawuhlangana nabantu laba bantu laba banama vibrational frequencies angafani. Labantu banemicabango engafani ngisho nangawe. Labantu basebenzisa nento ezingafani. Kuningi ozokuthola lapha ebantwini. Labantu ni exchange energy, exchange imali, exchange everything niyakhuluma. Kuningi ozokuthola vele. Yabo? So on an energetic level zikhona izinto abantu abaku-affecta ngazo uhlangana nabo. Lonto ngikutshela ukuthini? Ikutshela ukuthi kubalulekile ukuthi uyinakekele lento ekuthiwa i-aura yakho or i-energy field yakho, more especially uma ngabe kade usebantwini. Akhona ke ama-crystals adila ne-aura njengabo selenite. Akhona ama-incense o-Palo Santo, o-sandalwood, o-white sage, ama-incense okucleansa ini i-aura. Yabo ngoba lezi zinto esikhuluma ngazo la spiritual azibonakali. Ukuthakatha ke lokho. Uzithakatha bani? Uzithakatha wena. Ucleansa i-aura yakho. Ngabe ukuthi nje uthi uma uthi uyaqhamuka nje wena uqhamuka untekenteke nje noma there's something funny about your energy. There's something funny. Why? Uphethe ama energy field la kuwena energy field yakho is tainted, yabo, is contaminated ngenxa yabantu ohlangana nabo, yabo. So lento ye-aura do your own due diligence. Ngisho yabona kunento ekuthiwa i-salt le kuthiwa i-Himalayan salt. Ngageza ngalo salt le kuthiwa i-Himalayan salt. Bheke ezinye indlela zokucleansa i-aura ngoba i-aura iyangcola. Ingcoliswa ngisho nawe uwe nangemicabango yakho. Ngithi ayizwa lonto i-energy field yakho. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi ngathi before into yenzeke physical iqala spiritual. Angithi yabo khona ezinye izinto ongeke uzukwazi ukudila nazo nje on a physical level or standpoint, yabo. So ngeke uze wazi ukuthi yini ebingenzeka ukuba ukuthi nokuthi awukwenzanga. Awukwazi ukuba ubiquitous noma ube in two places at the same time. You only manifest one reality at a time. So ngokuklinsa kwakho i-aura angeke uzuyazi impact eyenzekalayo. Don't take things for granted. Uthi vele anyway mina vele zingihambela kahle and all of those things. Kukhona umehluko okungawenza ukunakekela i-aura. Mina lokho engikushoyo ngukho phezulu nje. Ukunakekela i-aura akuyona ke yodwa indlela yokunakekela i-aura leyo. Ukuzithakatha ngilokho esikhuluma ngakho namhlanje. Ngoba uma ungazithakathi wena bazokwenza njani abantu? Bazokuthakatha bona ngoba bakubona ukuthi wena awugobhisi, awunakile. Lento ekuthiwa i-energy awuyinaka. Sizelana ke. Number 2. Uma ngabe ungathakathanga ngalendlela le engikhuluma ngayo ukusebenzisa ugeze ngabo Himalayan salt, ushisa bo Palo Santo, ama sage, impepho lezi ezithile namo incense, all of those things, those are things, external things, ne, eziphethe energy field ethile nazo lezo zinto. Umuthi nomuthi noma into nento iphethe energy field ethile. Ngithi yabo? Right. Uma ungakwenza ngalokho kuukuthi wena uyazi ukuthi vele egcineni lezi zinto azinawo amandla more than mina. Yes. Nalapho futhi unjani? Right. Angithi ngoba yonke into yenziwa ubani ukuthi isebenze wena. Kodwa nayo yazi ukuthi inayo yayo i-energy field. Angithi ayizwa lonto. So that is why muhlanganisa umuthi owukuthi nomuthi owukuthi kuphuma ikhambi elukuthi elapha into ewukuthi ngobani there is an energy field, there is a morphic field ekuleyo nto leyo oyisebenzisayo. Yonke into ine energy field yakhona. Eresonance nethi that is why kuthiwa into ewukuthi nento ewukuthi asihlangani. Why? Energetically speaking, lezo zinto lezo they are just a disaster, they are just a mess. You can't mix them. Right? Uma ungawenzanga ke lokho ukuthi uzokwenza ngale ndlela engisho ngayo. Into creator i-reality la, i-consciousness. The only reality that we have is the consciousness. Angithi? You can also cleanse your aura through visualizing cleansing your aura. Ngithi yabo? Okukhombisa lokho ukuthi I am conscious, I am aware, this is what I'm doing. Phela if you visualize and imagine you yourself cleansing your own aura, it is done. It's just a matter of what you visualize it or you think about it. You do it like mentally, because this is the quantum computer that creates reality. You do it mentally. Maybe you just imagining you cleansing your aura. That's how you do it. Then, like on a mental plane, but the catch is you have to be sure that that thing is happening. Kusho umele wazi ukuthi umqondo wakho wena umele wazi ukuthi umqondo wakho uyakukholwa wena mangabonza izinto. Le video engikhuluma ngayo uyakukholwa umqondo wakho wena. Mawuthi umqondo wakho uhlezi ungakukholwa, obviously you need something external ozoyisebenzisa. Ngithi yabona nje umuntu ungamnikeza uyabona into ekuthiwa i-placebo effect. Umuntu ungamnikeza nje igqolo nje lento ethile oyazi kahle lento ayisebenzi ukuthi mi lento le izokusiza lento le uzoqina nje mawudlula ebantwini nje uzoba umuntu uqini lento uzothi ayiyenzi lento leyo uyavela uyayithele uyikhela into nje wena wathi mi wena faka la lento uyibophe kanje lento leyo bese uyahamba ugqoke kanje. Umuntu uhambe ithemba be confident abone nathi iyenzeka lento yabo kanti just nje it just iyakhekela lento le yabo. So uma ngabe ukuthi ingqondo yakho ayikholwa wena futhi udinga lezi zinto lezi ezinga ekade ngizibala ke, kodwa uma ukuthi you know vele ukuthi wena now you have mastered into ethile like mentally you know how to convince your mind again you can cleanse your aura, visualizing the water cleansing you or this whatever, visualizing negativity falling down from your body yabo. So we are cleansing your aura lapho uyasithakatha ke lapho ngithi yabo uyasithakatha. Okunye futhi ukuzithakatha okunye ukucabanga izinto ezipositive ngawe nokwazi ukuthi you are safe and guided and guarded foot again, knowing that very well. What is sin? Sin is faith in evil. Sin is faith that something evil or something terrible is going to happen more than when you think ukuthi something great and good is going to happen. So that is sin, that is faith in evil. So zithakatheke futhi mental ukuthi don't think ukuthi wena bad things are going to happen to you. Wena you are susceptible to bad things yabo, you are vulnerable. Know that you are guided and guarded. Know that, and don't believe that, know that yabo. So based on the things you see, based on the things you focus on, umqondo wakho uzokutshela ukuthi bad things are possible, it is highly possible that bad things are going to happen to you. Why? Ingqondo yakho ine proof, because when you focus on those things, you know those things better. It is not safe. Amabhada khona kwenzeke kanjani 1 no 2 no 3. So ingqondo yakho kine evidence ukuthi how possible it is for bad things to happen to you. Angithi? So izokuphikisa ke mawuthi wena uya safe. So you'll always be uzoba nento ekuthiwa fear of the unknown, anxiety. So zithakatha ke mentally, uzithakatha physically, ayikuthakatha abanye abantwana.